In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to tattoo a winged eyeliner using only manual tools. Most permanent makeup eyeliners are done using the machine, but I'm here to show you that there's another way. And in my opinion, it is more gentle and more precise, and it gives you more control over the outcome. Hi there, I'm Julia from Pigmenta Cosmetics, and welcome to my channel, the #1 place for permanent makeup education, science, and inspiration. If you're new to my channel, make sure that you click that subscribe button below, hit the bell, and turn on your notifications. Everything I mention in this video will be linked in the description box below. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to start out by pre-drawing my winged eyeliner with the grease pencil. This way, I will be sure that both wings are even, and I would do this on a client as well. I also make the client sit up after the pre-draw so I can look for symmetry. So using the microblading technique and the 6 regular needle, what I'm going to do is first trace the outline. So that's important because if you're doing a winged eyeliner, most likely you are going to be thicker in your eyeliner, and then this way it also ensures that you are not tattooing outside of the intended line. To fill in, I'm using the 39 straight needle, which is excellent for eyeliners in general. And the technique is called tapping. I want to get 30 taps into each section. I know some technicians like to tap 30 times on one spot, but I prefer to do 3 passes and 10 taps each. It just gets too monotonous for me if I just do 30 at once. But whatever you prefer. The objective is to microblade the outline 3 times and also do the fill-in with the tapping method, also 3 passes. So you also want to overlap a little bit with your previous section as you're tapping along, and that will ensure that you are not getting any holidays in your tattoo. Now, depending on the skin, you may need more passes of the microblading and the tapping. There are always exceptions to the rule, but generally someone with lighter, thinner, more mature skin, you would tap only and not blade at all. Instead, the outline would be tapped in with the 10 straight needle point. Those skin types will be in the Fitzpatrick 1 to 3 scale. And anyone with thicker, darker, or younger skin, you can blade and tap. Fitzpatrick Scale 4 to 6. The thickest skin on your body is the back, and the thinnest the eyelid. So it makes sense that when you're blading or tapping on the eyelids, that it has to be extremely gentle. If you're not getting enough color into the skin, just do more passes rather than more pressure. Too much pressure can cause a blowout. See the video above explaining what that is. For the purpose of this demonstration, I'm using a mannequin head. However, the best way to practice the eyeliner is actually on foam skin, since it has some give and you can actually see how deep you're going. Watch this other video above explaining the different medias to practice on.
Another fill-in wheel that I'm going to use is the 52 round. I will be tapping with this one. I do want to talk about the importance of stretching, and I do the 3-way stretch. You can see that I use my index, thumb, and pinky for the left eye, and then on the opposite side I would grab it with my thumb, index, and then also my pinky finger. And on this side, another option to stretch would be your index and middle finger, and then your pinky as well. So you want to stretch it nice and taut, as tight as the skin on a drum. time-wise, on a thicker eyeliner with wings, it will typically take me about an hour or so, roughly 20 to 30 minutes on each side. If I was doing this on a live person, I would probably go back and forth between both sides doing one pass at a time. So I'm just finishing up with the last pass, my last wipe over here. And so when I'm done, what I want to do is actually sit the client up. Now in the mannequin, of course, doesn't work the same way. However, you still want to just like lift the head and kind of look at it from all angles, make sure that they're even on both sides. Now you can see that I actually finished the other side. Another great canvas to practice on is this silicone skin. So this is an example of a Fitzpatrick type 2. As you can see, I'm not blading the outline. Instead, I am using the 10 straight needle to do the outline, and then of course the 39 to do the fill-in. Hope you liked this tutorial and that it gave you another option using the manual tools doing the winged eyeliner. If you have questions about this or any other related permanent makeup subjects, please tell me in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. See you same time next week.